Peace unto you, fellow traders. Abdul here, Prop Traders World. In this simple video, I want to share with you one of the basic trading system that I have come to learn when I first started trading in my first 2-3 years. I learned it from one of a world-renowned trading trader, Mr. Avramis Despotis of Tradepedia, and the system is basically simple. Is based on swing, and the entry is based when the swing fails. So it's a very simple system, and it's a system that I still use till today. So very simple. First of all, arrange your chart into 3 time frame: daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, or if you prefer, you can arrange it 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes, whichever time frame that styles that are more suitable for you. So maybe you're a day trader and you arrange it 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, or 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, so, or 1 hour, half an hour, 5 minutes. So that is something that you have to find on your own, and as far as your style is concerned. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how the swing failure works. Alright, so very simple. Once you have a clean chart, alright, turn it into a line chart, right? So you can see the swing points, the high and the low. Alright, so in this daily chart, you just see there's a swing low, there's a swing high, swing low, swing high. Of course, you can use indicator like zigzag to help you pointing the swing high and low. Yeah, you can do that. So you can put the zigzag indicator if you like, yeah, to help you. Maybe in the beginning you need you can just put the default entry, right, and that can help you point the swings. So it's up to you. Either you want to train your eyes to see the swing on a live chart without the zigzag. So maybe in the beginning you need the zigzag, but as you develop a skill, then you probably not going to need it. Okay, so it's really simple. When you, for example, like in this one, so this one's already moved, I think. Okay, so that's a swing high there, that's the swing low. So this is based on a 1 hour chart. Okay, so let's just go there. So even if, for example, you go to 15 minutes, you already see that swing back. See, sometimes the zigzag is not the best indicator to indicate the swing point. Sometimes the best is always live feed from the market. So anyway, in this instance, let's go to 4 hours, so you won't see that. So you can turn it into half an hour or 15 minutes. I just want to show you the zigzag. So the swing. So there. Alright, so then now you convert to candlestick or bar chart. So now you see your swing. Alright, so basically the idea is very simple. Once price already break out from this swing high, swing point, right? So it's already break out there, and indeed it closed above the 100 mark there. See that, right? So it already closed. So what you do is that a point of entry. So the beauty of this system is you can place a stop order. So in this case, earlier, if earlier you can place a buy stop at this level, 114, 40, 45 maybe, right? So but that is like a set and forget kind of system. So in this ways, what I'm going to demonstrate to you is that's the point of entry, right? So you place a new order, whatever your account size is, right? And then that's where you entry. The stop is here, the take profit 1 is here, 2 is here, and 3 is here. Alright, so that's another level that you can add if you want. 3.14 if you want, let me just put that at 3.14. So that's another level that you can add if you like. Okay, then in this case you can put your stop, which is 113.907. So you can put 113 minus 85, or 10 pips below 113.80, and then you can put your take profit See, the one of the caveat of this system is that the risk reward, if you take at 161.8, is not as good as if you put the TP at 261.8. So sometimes you have to have a couple of position, or you have to close half of the position when it hit the first TP, and close the other half when it hit the second TP. This system is very high accuracy, but indeed 80 to 90%. I've tested this system. It works very well. Now I do not say that it don't have loss. Okay, don't get me. This is where most traders get it wrong. They are looking for a perfect no loss system. There is no such thing as that kind of system. So any system that you're comfortable with, stick with it. There will be losses, but if you find the system comfortable for you, then stick with it. You know, no matter what, the losses will be there. You know, so if your system is already highly accurate, stick to it. Don't change. You know, don't make it more complicated. So I want to share with you one of the basic system. This is very basic. Why I say basic? Because it teaches you about market movement. Okay, so you put your stop there, and maybe you can place one order to out at 114.70, 114.70, right? Yeah. So of course the risk reward is not that great, so that's why you need a second order, which will make it better. So 1.3.8. So usually I put my stop 10 pips below the swing low, but in any case, if you are day trading, usually I don't put a stop loss lah, right? I just cut the losses because you are in front of the computer to monitor the trades. But if you're taking a higher time frame, kind of set up 1 hour, 4 hour, or even 3 hours, you know, on the MT5, then you should put a stop if you can't afford to lose the money. But you know, once you get comfortable in what you're doing, you'll be okay to leave the trade because you already know how the markets behave. Okay, in this instance, you set the profit as 115, 20 or 15, you know, whichever you like. There we go. So this is what the system is. So in this case, it's 15 minutes, so this is basically day trade. So I probably not gonna put in a real situation, I probably not gonna put a stop loss there lah. You know, just gonna wait until the trade hit. Usually within few hours, you know, it will hit the TP. This is a highly probable system, a very simple system, you know, that you can use. Let's see, let's take a look. So that's one. Let's take a look at other setup, see if we can find some other setup. Okay, so you see that, so that's already gone, so I'm not gonna work on something that, so that's you see that, so yeah, but here in this case, yeah, so I'm not gonna worry about things that are not live as we monitor this chart. So this could possibly be a setup, the 1 hour. So this will take time, of course, you know, once you train your eyes. So that could be a setup, but not so beautiful. Okay, already on the dollar yen earlier. Let's go to pound dollar. We already did the Aussie. Okay, let's go to pound dollar. Okay, there we are. We have the feed. So practice on the demo first, you know, on this system. So that's something, but not so good, the setup. Let's take another one. See, that looks a good one. How do I know what? But because once you train your eyes, you get used to it. So it's just a matter of getting used to it. So that's a nice setup there, I think. You know, so the beauty of this system is you don't have to wait right in front of the chart. So that's 1 hour. So let's go to 15 minutes. Oopsie. Oh, I guess feed. Let's put it there. Okay. So it's not so clear, the setup, but still 15 minutes. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, you know, and it has not triggered yet. So what you can do is you put it there. Okay, so of course this is very basic, because first you have to practice on the swing, and then later on you know, you can learn about support and resistance, about pivot, you know, about trend line, that those kind of things is going to help you. But this is the very base. This is like the ABC of trading. You have to understand how market move in ebbs and flow, you know, and that is the swing. All right, so there you go. So there's the swing lows, there's the swing high. You put the Fibonacci there. All right, so in this case I'm going to use a sell stop order, so I'm going to sell stop at 71. Right, if it break 71 or maybe 71.95, okay, it goes lower, so my stop will be there, and that's my first take profit, and that's my second take profit. So if you want to manage your to have a better risk reward ratio, then maybe you take you know, if your total if your risk per trade is 3%, for example, then maybe 1% you put on the TP1, and then the other 2% you put on the TP2, so that way you get more from your trade. Okay, so you place a new order, and this is gonna be a sell stop, right, and it's gonna be 6995. The stop in this case will be 71.30. So in this instant, why I'm not placing 15 pips higher is because usually it won't go back that far once it break that level. But in any case, if you want to be safe, you're not comfortable, you can put 15 pip above the swing high, right? In the case of such stop like this, 6995, and I'm gonna put the stop of 71.34, right? My first take profit 7095. Okay, oops, what happened? Maybe that's 6. Oh, no wonder. Should be 0.7095. There we go. Okay. Hey, that's the sell stop. Oh, let's do for 7 1. Oh, that's too far. 7108 71. Oh, that's just. No, I'm so sorry. Let's just redo that again. So that's 71 then. 7095, 7095. That's just too far. Okay, let's just put 71. Yeah, so yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is 15 minutes, of course, you know, so maybe you can put 710, 7105 if you want to put it that way. So of course, since this is 15 minutes, of course it's gonna be very tight in that aspect. So anyway, yeah, so that's another thing. See, because I don't day trade. All right, so but those are the strategies that you can use on a so in this case, usually I'll just place a market order and you know, put the TP1 here and TP2 here. Okay, yeah, let's try do that. Maybe let's find a better setup. Maybe we try to find a better setup. So let's just delete that. Okay, just delete that. Try to find a better setup. Let's see if we can get in a better setup. That's 15 minutes. May not be, because the swing failure is best on a higher time frame, like 1 hour and above. So doing it on a shorter time frame sometimes is not you know, it's not the best for what it's meant for, because it wasn't meant for shorter time frame. But the concept, you can see it in a shorter time frame, because I'm doing this like, you know, live in the market. Okay, let's see if, sorry, Okay, so here yeah, that's already failed there. Okay, here is another. This is daily, this is the okay. So here, if you can see here, this might not be the best because this is higher than this one. So you know, the best is like this one is supposed to be lower than the previous swing high. So that's the swing low. All right. So that's the breakout from that level, right? So this is a 4-hour. Okay, so you can, so in this case it's already breakout from that level, so the stop is going to be here, right, or even here, you know. So sometimes if it retraces back to this level, then we can put the stop here. So in this instance it may go to here, here, and in this case it's already, since already breakout from that swing low, then you're gonna put a sell limit. Okay, so one of the another good thing, the beauty about this system is you will often see that it will come back to the breakout level. So in this instance that's not the best setup, but you know, let's just stick there, see, right? So you will see that price will come up to the breakout level, you know, because when market breakouts, basically there is a seller or buyer that is pushing the momentum of price, you know, to the upside or to the downside, you know, and that's why price breakout. And once price breakout, you know, because of the absence of seller or buyer, all right, in the case of buy, then it will be absence of seller. That's why price breakout to the upside, and in the case of downside or sell is the absence of buyer. So that's why price move downward. Okay, but later on, you know, other trader flocks in, and that's why you see a retracement where you enter on pullback. So in this case, yeah, you can enter at market here. In this case, the stop will be there, and that's your take profit. So yeah, that is something that you can do to practice the swing failure system. All right, so that is basically the basics of swing failure system. Try to find the swing high or low, and then place the trade, either a pending order or a market order as the market comes to you. So let me see if we got in for some other example. So this is very simple, telling you. You got to master this system before you try any other. Why? Because this is market basics. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a nice setup. See that? That's on a daily time frame though. So you're gonna be a lot while before you're gonna reach STP. You know, usually daily we talking about 2 to 3 weeks, but this is a really nice setup. It's already breakout there. There is also a swing, so now it's trying to push downward. And of course this is daily. You will have to have a lot of patience. So you measure the swing there. Okay, so now it's just breakout to that level, and you know, it's coming back. So you will see this often. It will always come back to you. So don't chase your trade. Let the market come to you. So in this instant, the stop is 123.80. Let's do that. And okay, 123.80, and the take profit one is 120.30. Okay, another thing, maybe I'll talk in another video. So you put there your first trade, okay, and maybe you put another one. Or if you want, you can also just make one trade, and then make the TP2 as here, and then as it reach here, then you close half there of your position. Okay, so that's 123.80. Your take profit 118.20. I'll use 20 there. Okay, so there you go. So there you have your trade based on a daily swing failures. Okay, yeah, so daily you have to be very patient, and you have to let the trade run, you know, for it to work with you. And then in this instance, You also can use the Fibonacci, but I'm not going to cover it in this video on whether you can see whether it's going to reach this level or that level, whichever that is going to test. So that God willing, that will be in another video. I just want to share with you how you can use this swing failure setup to kickstart your trading. Okay, I think that is a nice setup. See that? More like a triple top. That's a nice setup. So that is a definite that is a very high probability kind of setup, but of course you don't want to risk. You want to bet the whole farm even when you have 99% probability kind of setup. Okay, so I hope this video helped you with your trading system. This is a very simple trading system. Try it on your demo and then try it on your trading. Try to take 100 trades and see out of the statistics what's the probability, the accuracy of the system. Because I'm telling you, sometimes you may have low accuracy. Even you win 40 out of 100 trades, but you can still be profitable. Why? Because you have a better risk reward ratio. Alright, till next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.